Let's go for Lesson 10. Did you go to school yesterday? Listen and repeat.
Did you go to school yesterday?
Yes, I did.
Did you have a party yesterday?
Yes, I did.
Did you go to the mall yesterday?
Yes, I did.
Did you take a test yesterday?
Yes, I did.
Did you fly a kite yesterday?
Yes, I did.
Did you win a race yesterday?
No, I didn't.
Did you get a present yesterday?
No, I didn't.
Did you find some money yesterday?
No, I didn't.
Did you lose your cell phone yesterday?
No, I didn't.
Did you break a window yesterday?
No, I didn't.